Saludazo, mi gente. Aquí ando con Captain Manny, la mera chingonada.
Sexy welding people from YouTube. Today we're doing an Olet video. That's right. You guys already know. We have the hole here. We have a flange right there. It has to be level. Everything has to be level because there's two flanges. We have a hole right there. It's already marked. We have a 532 rod right there with no flux. And everything's ready to go. This is a weld Olet with no thread Olet. Then we're gonna weld this piece right there too. Alright, he's gonna have a valve in there. So my fitter has everything set up for me. As you can see here, everything's perfect, 100%. Like I mentioned, there's two flanges in this little spool, so that flange right there has to be level, and if they square the other flange, that flange, with one flange being level, the other one should be level too. Alright, so you can see the gap of the weld Olet right there. It's like 1/16. It's perfect, 100%. I love it. Alright, so fitter right here, just getting ready. Alright, he put tape on the rod right there. It's a 7018 rod, no flux. Alright, so he's getting everything. We're getting ready to tag. So he's just gonna align his lines right there. Make sure everything's good. Alright, so this video is from 2017. Alright, this is when I was starting welding. I did a super coupon weld test, and thanks to God I passed it. Yeah, right now we're gonna tag it. Alright, so quick tag right there. Alright, like a ½ inch. Nah, probably like a quarter. But now we can remove the spacer. As you can see here, he's gonna remove the spacer and it's gonna check for the level. Make sure it's level. And he's checking the level. It's not good, so he tried to pull it with a little piece of pipe, but it didn't move at all. So he's gonna grab a hammer jammer. Alright, and once it's good, then we're gonna tack the other side, and then we should be good. Alright, so you always want to put a gap on your weld Olets. Alright, some people don't put gaps in there. I don't think that's good. So right here, perfect, 100%. So tack it. Alright, we're gonna tack it 60-10, 1/8. He put the little gap right there so it won't move much. Alright, so now we're gonna check. He's gonna check the level on the other side, like that, like so. And he's like, alright, tack it this side so it can move that way a little bit. Alright, so we tack it, and this is the third tag. So he's gonna check, make sure it's good, check the level. He's like, yeah, this is almost good. It needs to go that way a little bit more. Alright, so everything's good. So what he said, just tack that side again so he can pull it that way. Alright, and he's gonna push it so it go that way a little bit. Alright, so almost closing one side so he can pull it. But you can see here, now it's good, he said. Alright, tack the other side and we should be good. And that's it, guys. Now we're doing the little pop right there, ½ inch. But you know, this is part of the valve This is the just the bottom of the ball. We disassemble them so we don't burn any seals inside or anything. So my fitter is pretty good about that, you know. So it's like he took it apart so it doesn't we don't burn any seals or anything inside the valve. All right. So you just make sure everything's good right there. It's like, all right, that's good. Everything's level. Everything's square. So all we have to do is weld everything. All right. So that's it. We're just gonna weld it and get it. Alright guys, so this is the final product right here. It looks alright. Like I said, this is back in the day when I was welding, 2017. So don't forget to subscribe to Captain Manny's social media right here. I hope you guys welding. Hope you guys stay safe out there with all this craziness going on. Alright. But yeah, guys, this is the final product. It looks alright. And this is how it looks installed. Little spool, 2 flanges right there. Perfect, 100%. Alright guys, well, stay safe out there and I'll see you next time. Alright, bye.